Hey guys, in the Indo again. Back to you with a car wash mode. So many people saying that hey, don't go to the car wash, go to the hand wash or something. But I'm here in Indiana. It's 43 outside. I'm not doing hand wash. So it's very simple. This is my actually second time. My first time I was like, kind of afraid doing it. Basically, go to the menu and then go to surface, and then from surface go to car wash mode. And car wash mode stated that it will lock all the doors, and then disable the wipers, and you can't drive more than 10 miles an hour. So alright, so I'm on the car wash mode now. Am I? Yes, I am. Going into crew car wash. Well, the gate's supposed to open by itself, but it's not. There you go. It's open by itself. I'm going into car wash mode. Interesting. When I back up, the car wash mode was turned off. I have to back up a little bit. Maybe the sensor won't get my trying to pull straight here. Then I have to press the brake and make it neutral. Oh, you know what? I didn't do this part. The automatic car wash free roll enable. So I had to always press the brake real quick and then tap the lever half to go to neutral. So I'll try that next time. Never pay attention that the mirror is actually full as well. So I'm in Indiana. It's a crew car wash here, which kind of a good price. Somehow it's unlimited wash, and I did get the very top one, which is it's called Ultimate Wash. So it does the under wash as well. It's kind of loud right now. Let me get out of here first. Let me go to the parking lot here. And I don't know if you guys seen this update. This is actually just yesterday. You see that line? It's a park assist update that was just done last night. So anyway, car wash mode. I never actually try the enable roll, but it's kind of nice. You just turn on the wash mode, then you don't have to worry about automatic wipers and all that. And also it will lock the trunk, and the most important thing is it will lock the charge port door, which is on that second line there, the charge port. So right, I don't really need to do exit wash, because once I roll about 10 miles an hour it will automatically turn off. But well, anyway, I just turn it off. So alright guys, by the way, this park assist, it's pretty cool. At my house, inside the garage, it actually show you, it will beeps on certain, I think it's just a few feet, it will tell you to stop and all that. Alright guys, try.